Today, we're delving into interest-only mortgages and whether they are a viable option for you. Currently, about 29% of residential mortgages are interest-only, a significant figure considering most are repayment mortgages. Let's explore the differences, the pros and the cons, and the government's efforts to make housing more accessible. In a 30-year repayment mortgage, you pay both the loan's interest and the principal. Initially, the majority of your payment covers the interest, with a small portion reducing the principal. Over time, this balance shifts, and by the end of the 30 years, you fully own the home. Interest-only mortgages, on the other hand, involve paying just the loan's interest. For example, on a £300,000 loan at 1% monthly interest, you pay £3,000 a month, but this doesn't reduce the loan's principal. At the end of the 30 years, you still owe the full £300,000. While this may seem like a disadvantage, there are both pros and cons. Most people don't fully pay off their mortgages, but remortgage as the property value rises. The benefit of capital repayment is often negated, as we mainly gain from the property's appreciation. The downside of interest-only mortgages is apparent. You're not reducing the loan principal. However, in a scenario like negative equity, the risk is more on the bank than on you. Inflation works to your benefit here, as it erodes the real value of debt over time. The main advantage of interest-only mortgages is lower monthly repayments, which is particularly beneficial in times of rising costs. However, the most significant factors in reducing the loan are capital growth and inflation. In the UK, a housing shortage drives up property prices, making ownership beneficial due to constant value appreciation. Inflation decreases the real value of the debt, making a fixed £300,000 loan less of a burden over time. Interest-only mortgages offer flexibility. You can choose to pay off the loan if you wish, with most allowing up to 10% annual repayment without penalties. Personally, I prefer interest-only mortgages as they give me more control over my finances. However, it's crucial to assess the best mortgage rates. One way is to consult a specialist mortgage broker. You should always shop around for these types of specialists and go with who you feel comfortable with. The government is considering making 40-year mortgage terms available, a move that could make property ownership more affordable. However, property ownership is likely to become a luxury, and decisions that are made today could determine whether future generations are renters or homeowners. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe, as it does help the channel grow. Let me know your thoughts on interest-only versus repayment mortgages in the comments, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.